I'm Jacob Wheeler with Comfort Technologies. I'm the Vice President here, and we are a commercial and residential heating and air company. There's quite a few signs that you can see before your system actually completely goes out. One of those signs would be humidity, and your system's actually a dehumidifier. It will remove the humidity in the air as it's working properly. So if your unit is turning on and off, rapidly or what seems to be randomly, there's definitely an issue with your system. There's a lot of different symptoms that can cause your system going on and off quickly. From a faulty compressor to a bad safety switch. Maybe your thermostat's not sending the correct signal to your system. A very common reason is a clogged air filter. So if your unit's not able to pass air through that air filter and it's very dirty, that will cause your units to turn on and off because it's suffocating itself and not getting enough air. Refrigerant charge is another way that your system will short cycle. So if it's overcharged or undercharged, your system might not run the full length of time or run the way it should. Your outdoor unit, if you hear any clunking, grinding, screeching sounds, that's typically a sign your compressor is compressing things in the system that are not refrigerant. So they're compressing non-condensables is what we would call it. If you see that your energy bill is astronomically high compared to where it's been in the past, that's a sign your system's not keeping up and it's running too long. So if you see ice and or water around your unit or inside your home, there is a problem. What will happen is if your system is low on refrigerant, it will start to form ice and freeze up. As that ice begins to melt, that's where you'll see the water, and then there is a problem with your system. When your system is working correctly, the air that comes out of your condensing unit, the outdoor unit, is going to be warm. That warm air is really a representation of the heat that's being removed from inside your home. Yeah, if you're noticing any of these signs, if you think you can take care of yourself, that's fantastic. If you feel like it's out of your realm and you'd like to give us a call, we're more than happy to come out and visit with you and see how we can best help you.